Here we are today in a 48-inch Viking gas range with a double oven. The complaint that we have on the gas range is the oven door not closing 100%, which is going to affect the temperatures, and also it will cause problems with the top control knobs getting very warm with the door not closing correctly. And as you can see on the oven itself, when you open and close it, you can see that it's not snapping back. It should close tightly. As you can see with the oven to the left, you close it, you let go, it snaps, where this one is not releasing back. So what we'll do is we're going to take the door off and do a hinge repair on the Viking range. Okay, at this point, Alex from American Service is just going to remove the door really quick so he could start on that hinge repair. Okay, at this point, Alex has removed the large Viking oven door and he's going to replace the door hinges. At this point, Alex has removed the right side hinge, and at this time he's going to install the new Viking hinge. Okay, as you can see, we removed the old hinges, and at this point we have two brand new hinges on the large oven, and at this time we're going to put the door back on. As you can see now, the door is closing correctly. As you open and close the door, now that you'll see the problem that we had before is that when we got to the top, the door was coming back open. Now you can see it closes automatically, the door is nice and tight, and we're back in business. Once we're done with the repair, of course, the stainless steel always is going to have some fingerprints on it, so we always want to leave the customer's ranges as good as new. So we just used some stainless steel cleaner on it, and we'll remove any smudges or marks